Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the sound review of the Realme X2 Pro. So this is the Realme X2 Pro, and it's got stereo setup speakers, and they sound really awesome, right? So one is on the top, the earpiece also acts as a speaker, and one speaker is at the bottom, right? So let me give you a sound sample of this speaker, and then we'll talk how the Dolby Atmos works. So here we go.
With their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
So the sound quality from the stereo setup of the Realme X2 Pro is absolutely amazing. And now I will show you how the Dolby Atmos works. So there are three ways to get into the Dolby Atmos function. One, you pull down the notification panel, long press on the Dolby Atmos, and here it comes. Second, you go into the settings, you go into sound and vibration, you bring it down, you got Dolby Atmos here, right? And the third option is you go into music, you play. While playing music, you can go into these three dots over here. You got sound effects, Dolby Atmos, press it, and the Dolby Atmos functions is here. So there are three ways of entering the Dolby Atmos function. Now I will tell you how the Dolby Atmos works. So from the notification panel, bring it down. You've got the Dolby Atmos button over here. Long press it. It takes you into the Dolby Atmos page. You've got four options: smart, movie, gaming, and music. So whatever function you're using your phone for, you can use the movie function for while watching movies, gaming option for while gaming PUBG or whatever preference of your game is, and while listening to music, you can turn on the music function. And one thing I would tell you, that you cannot turn off the Dolby Atmos function while using the speakers of the mobile. But when you're using headphones, then you can turn on and off the Dolby Atmos function. So let me show you that. So as you can see, I've connected headphones to my mobile device. Now you can turn off the Dolby Atmos function and turn it on if you want. So with the addition of headphones to the mobile phone, the music option expands even more. So when you press on the music, you've got more functions. So you've got balanced music, warm music, detailed, or you can turn it off, right? And if you want more, you can get a graphic equalizer as well. The intelligent equalizer turns off, and you can bring up the graphic equalizer. You can turn it up and down, whatever your preference of the music is, right? You can restore it to default. And you don't want to use this, you just press on intelligent equalizer, and then the graphic equalizer goes away, and you can use the balanced, warm, detailed, or off, whatever your preference of the style of music is, right? So it's quite a what should I say, a nice addition to this Dolby Atmos function. It's not available in the Note 10 Plus, but it's available in the Realme X2 Pro. Right? So guys, I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Dude Varun. I'll be back with another video very soon. Take care. God bless and goodbye.